How to get smoke smell out of your microwave, detailed guide. Are you feeling a little burnt out by the smoke smell in your microwave? Don't worry, you're not alone. After all, a microwave that smells like smoke can make your food taste a little bit off-putting. Therefore, in this video, we'll share some simple and effective steps on how to get smoke smell out of your microwave. So, put on your cleaning gloves and get ready to bring back the fresh scent of popcorn and leftover pizza. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Unplug the microwave and remove any loose debris. Unplugging the appliance will prevent any accidents and ensure your safety while cleaning. Please, always unplug the microwave before attempting to clean any part of the microwave at any point in this video. Once the microwave is unplugged, the next step is to remove any loose debris that may be causing the smoke smell. This includes things like burnt food or charcoal residue that may be stuck to the interior of the microwave. To do this, use a damp cloth or paper towel to wipe down the inside of the microwave. Be sure to get all of the corners and crevices. These areas are where debris tends to accumulate. If the debris is particularly stubborn, you may want to consider using a cleaning product. A good cleaning product will help break up the debris. For example, you could mix a small amount of dish soap with warm water. Then, use that to wipe down the interior of the microwave. Another option is to use a specialized microwave cleaner designed to break down tough stains and residue. Prepare a cleaning solution. One of the best cleaning solutions for getting smoke smell out of a microwave is a mixture of water and baking soda. To prepare this solution, measure out 1 cup of water and pour it into a microwave-safe bowl. Then, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the bowl. Stir the mixture together with a spoon until the baking soda is completely dissolved in the water. That's it. Once you've prepared the solution, you're ready to move on to the next step of the cleaning process. If you don't have baking soda on hand, there are other cleaning solutions that you can use. For example, you could use a mixture of vinegar and water. This is also effective at removing tough stains and odors. Just mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a microwave-safe bowl. Then, follow the same steps as you would with the baking soda solution. Microwave the cleaning solution. After preparing the cleaning solution, the next step is to microwave it in the bowl. This will help loosen the stubborn smoke smell and debris inside the microwave. Begin by placing the bowl of cleaning solution in the microwave. Then, set the microwave to run on high power for 5 minutes. This should be enough time to allow the solution to boil and steam up the microwave. Stay close to the microwave and keep an eye on it while it's running. You may notice that the solution starts to boil and steam up the inside of the microwave. This is normal and indicates that the solution is working to loosen any stubborn smoke smell and debris. Once the 5 minutes are up, turn off the microwave. If you're using a specialized microwave cleaner, follow the instructions on the label for how to use the product. In most cases, you'll need to microwave the cleaning solution just like you would with the baking soda solution. Bear in mind that microwaving the cleaning solution can create a lot of steam. This can cause the interior of the microwave to become very hot and wet. To avoid burns, wear oven mitts or use a towel to handle the bowl. Use the oven mitts when wiping down the interior of the microwave as well. Let the cleaning solution sit. After microwaving the cleaning solution, leave the bowl of cleaning solution in the microwave. Set a timer for 10 to 15 minutes. Walk away and allow the solution to work its magic. During this time, the cleaning solution will continue to loosen the smoke smell and debris. This will make the smell and debris easier to wipe away. After the 10 to 15 minutes are up, open the microwave door. Carefully remove the bowl of cleaning solution. It will still be hot, so use oven mitts or a towel to handle it. If you're using a commercial microwave cleaner such as Angry Mama microwave cleaner, follow the instructions on the label for how long to let the cleaning solution sit. You need to be patient during this step and allow the steam and heat to do their job. By letting the cleaning solution sit, you'll give it time to work on the smoke smell and debris. This in turn will make the cleaning process much easier and more effective. Wipe down the inside of the microwave. Soak a clean piece of cloth in water and wring out any excess water. Starting with the walls of the microwave, wipe down the interior. Work in a circular motion and make sure to get into all the corners and crevices. Next, wipe down the ceiling of the microwave. Be careful not to drip water onto the turntable. Finally, wipe down the turntable itself. Make sure to get any debris or residue that may have accumulated there. Use a scrub brush or toothbrush for stubborn spots or areas. Gently scrub away debris and ensure that you don't scratch the surface of the microwave. Once you've wiped down the entire interior of the microwave, wipe away any excess moisture. You'll need a dry cloth or paper towel for this. Finally, plug the microwave back in and run it for a few seconds to make sure it's working properly. If you're using a commercial microwave cleaner, be sure to follow the instructions on the label for how to wipe down the inside of the microwave. Clean the door and exterior of the microwave. Take a separate damp cloth and wring out any excess water. Using a separate cloth will prevent the transfer of debris or smoke smell from the interior of the microwave to the exterior. Use the damp cloth to wipe down the exterior of the microwave, including the door and handle. Be careful not to get any water inside the microwave through the door or vents. Use a gentle cleaner or all-purpose spray for any stubborn spots or areas. The cleaner will help remove the debris. Be sure to follow the instructions on the label for the cleaner you're using. Once you've wiped down the exterior of the microwave, use a dry cloth or paper towel to wipe away any excess moisture. Finally, plug the microwave back in and run it for a few seconds to make sure it's working properly. Leave the microwave door open to air out. Once you're done cleaning the microwave, leave the door open to allow air to circulate inside and dissipate any remaining smoke smell. This action will also help prevent any lingering smoke smell from transferring to foods you microwave later. Depending on the severity of the smoke smell, you may need to leave the door open for a few hours to allow the air to fully circulate. If possible, place the microwave in a well-ventilated area, such as near an open window. You can also use a fan to help speed up the process. If you live in a humid climate, you can use a dehumidifier or air conditioning. These can help remove any excess moisture in the air. They can also reduce the chance of mold or mildew growth. If the smoke smell is particularly stubborn, place a bowl of activated charcoal inside the microwave and close the door. Then, leave the bowl overnight. The activated charcoal will help absorb any remaining odors. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.